Today we're going to show you how to add a recent blog posts widget to your Thinkific homepage. I'm Harriet from Drop-In Blog. Let's get into it. Once logged into your Thinkific account, on the left-hand side here, navigate to Channels. Then click on Website. In this page, find your homepage, then click on it. You'll then be taken to the Site Builder, and under Sections, click on the Add Section button here. And in the pop-up, navigate to the Drop-In Blog section. Then click on Recent Posts to add your recent blog posts. You'll see your recent posts in the preview here. And if you click on the Recent Posts widget under Sections here, you'll see that you're able to edit the widget's title, how many posts to display, which content the widget will display, and filter the content by category. Once satisfied, click on Save. And to check out your recent blog posts widget in your homepage, just click on back here on the upper left. Then click on this chain icon to copy your blog page link. Paste the link in the address bar. Hit Enter. And there are your recent blog posts. And that is how you add a recent blog posts widget to your Thinkific homepage. Happy blogging!